Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today I was asked the question, how do I get full custody of my child? The exact question was, how do I go about getting full custody of my child? And that's a good question. I like good questions like this, and it gives me a second to think about how I want to respond. And typically, how I would respond to this is I would ask a question back, and I'd say, tell me what your custody situation looks like right now. Because if you tell me what your custody situation looks like now, I can predict with pretty good measure what a judge or a court commissioner, if you're in Salt Lake, what they will do and how they will award custody in your custody case or divorce case. So if you're still together with the other parent, it's a complete unknown. We just don't know. But if you've already been separated, you tend to fall in, or people tend to fall into custody situations. And what I mean by that is whatever the default is, whatever you have been doing, whatever is the status quo, courts love to keep the status quo and maintain that. So if you want to get full custody, the real trick is to get full custody now. So whatever situation you're in, get as many overnights as you possibly can. Now, people tend to think if they watch their child during the day or they have more time with the child, that equates to full custody, and it simply does not. The court and the legal system in the state of Utah measure custody by overnights, meaning how many overnights does that child spend with you as a parent. If you can get 255 or more overnights, you have what's called sole physical custody of that child, or what you're probably referring to as full custody. So if you already have a sole physical custody situation in place before you go to court, you're going to be much better off. So think about that. Think of whatever situation you're in, you need more overnights. Find a way to get more overnights. If you want to strategize with me about it, because every situation is different, give me a call, 801-676-5507, and I'll be happy to discuss your situation with you and help you get full custody of your kids. Thanks for watching.